The kidneys, those remarkable bean-shaped organs, tirelessly filter our blood, expel waste, regulate blood pressure, and maintain electrolyte balance. Yet, many of us are inadvertently engaged in habits that gradually erode kidney health. In this comprehensive video, we will delve deeper into 10 unexpected habits that might be quietly sabotaging your kidneys, offering insights into preserving these invaluable organs. 1. Excessive use of painkillers. In the quest to alleviate pain, we often turn to over-the-counter painkillers like ibuprofen and aspirin. However, their frequent and high-dosage usage can inadvertently damage kidney tissue, diminishing blood flow to these critical organs. To avert such harm, it's prudent to limit painkiller consumption and, whenever necessary, consult a healthcare professional for guidance on appropriate usage. 2. Ignoring high blood pressure. High blood pressure isn't just a concern for the heart, it can exert undue strain on the intricate blood vessels within the kidneys. Over time, this strain can lead to irreversible damage. Monitoring blood pressure diligently, embracing a balanced diet, engaging in regular exercise, and adhering to prescribed medications can collectively contribute to maintaining optimal blood pressure levels and consequently safeguarding kidney health. 3. Insufficient hydration. Dehydration compels the kidneys to toil harder to eliminate waste, potentially culminating in kidney stones and other complications. Ensuring you consume an adequate quantity of water each day is pivotal to maintaining proper kidney function and thwarting the formation of those pesky kidney stones. 4. Excess salt consumption. The modern diet often inclines toward excessive sodium intake, a practice that can elevate blood pressure and magnify the burden on the kidneys. By reducing your consumption of processed foods and embracing a diet rich in fresh, whole foods, you can strike a harmonious balance in sodium intake, thereby nurturing your kidney health. 5. Overindulgence in protein. Protein is undoubtedly vital for bodily functions, but excessive consumption can inadvertently overwork the kidneys, increasing the likelihood of damage. Striking a balance between protein intake and other nutrients is crucial. A diverse range of protein sources can provide your body with the necessary building blocks, without putting undue stress on your kidneys. Should questions arise, a consultation with a registered dietitian can offer personalized guidance. 6. Ignoring sleep deprivation. Chronic sleep deprivation is more than just a minor inconvenience, it's a potential precursor to kidney disease. The body's mechanisms, including the immune system, can become compromised due to lack of sleep, paving the way for kidney-related issues. Prioritizing 7 to 9 hours of restorative sleep per night can act as a cornerstone in preserving kidney health while contributing to overall well-being. 7. Overlooking regular exercise. A sedentary lifestyle is a silent accomplice to obesity, diabetes, and high blood pressure, factors that significantly increase the risk of kidney dysfunction. Engaging in a consistent regimen of physical activity not only helps maintain a healthy weight but also reduces the likelihood of kidney-related ailments. Incorporating movement into your daily routine is an investment in your kidney health. 8. Excessive alcohol consumption. While the occasional toast might not adversely affect kidney health, excessive alcohol consumption can indeed impair kidney function and disrupt electrolyte balance. Adhering to moderate drinking guidelines up to 1 drink per day for women and 2 drinks per day for men ensures you relish the pleasures of life without compromising your kidneys' well-being. 9. Smoking. The perils of smoking extend far beyond the respiratory system, impacting blood vessels and diminishing blood flow to the kidneys. The result? An increased vulnerability to kidney disease. Kicking the smoking habit not only fosters kidney health but also bestows a myriad of benefits upon overall health and well-being. 10. Ignoring regular medical checkups. Amid the hustle and bustle of life, routine medical checkups can inadvertently take a backseat. However, these visits are invaluable in monitoring kidney function and detecting potential issues at their nascent stages. Prioritizing these appointments enables timely interventions and fosters proactive kidney health management. The kidneys are unsung heroes, diligently working behind the scenes to maintain our vitality. Guarding their well-being necessitates an awareness of the habits that can undermine them. By cultivating habits that eschew excessive painkiller use, uphold blood pressure, prioritize hydration, regulate sodium and protein intake, embrace quality sleep and regular exercise, moderate alcohol consumption, quit smoking, and adhere to regular medical checkups. You embark on a journey toward safeguarding your kidney health and embracing a healthier, more vibrant life. Remember, it's the cumulative impact of these small changes today that paves the way for a brighter tomorrow for your kidneys and your overall well-being.